Hi everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening, and it's fall, and boy do I have a plant for you. So this beauty here is in full bloom, and like I said, it's fall in New England. I'm in zone 6A here in Northeast Connecticut, and this plant is shining right now. And it's a pretty easy, low care perennial. So I want to talk about it and dedicate this video to this beauty here. So this is an anemone, and I love anemones, and they do come in some different shades of pink, some white, there's a few purples, and some that are a dark pink, almost a red. But this variety that I have here is called September Charm, and the name is so fitting because it's the end of September right now and it is in full bloom. So, like I said, when everything else is fading, these anemones are really shining, and I love them in some different applications. And I'm going to share with you a few other varieties that you may want to check out for your garden.